Welcome back dito sa kaharian ng Pinoy Showtime! Okay, ngayon oras na naman para sa ating mga pangangarir.
Nangangarir?
Oo.
Bali oras na pala ni Bertugo.
Oras si Bertugo, bakit? Bakit si Bertugo?
Tingnan niyo po ang ginagawa ni Bertugo, oh. Kinakarir. Yung isang mamamayan natin. Ayan, oh.
Ano ginagawa mo dyan?
Aawa lang po ako sa kanya.
Oh, papalutsot ka pa dyan. Hindi yan yung sinasabi kong pangangarir. Ang sinasabi ko, pangangarir sa video. Dito yan sa ating video, kariran. Okay? Panoorin natin ang last minute na Halloween shopping ng Team Bastos. Ang featured video natin dito sa video, kariran.
Hey, this is Roger Flower One. Yeah. And we're going to talk about last-minute Halloween shopping.
Bastos team is here to guide you as well as inform you how to enjoy
Halloween. Last-minute Halloween candy shopping. Starburst. Original fruit trees. All right. These are going to be very useful for you. Now, when you take a look at the Starburst, you just think of candy. But let's just say that you don't want any trick-or-treaters around your house. How do we prevent that? Well, Starburst, you just buy yourself a Starburst, just kind of shove it down your pants a little, And then when you answer the door, you just gotta open up the door and be like, hey, what if your kid has jacked up teeth? You can't fit this thing. And it's like, messed up. What about the last-minute shoppers who got kids with jacked up teeth? This ain't gonna work. Another good candy for those kids with those really messed up teeth with that I can't believe it's not butter type of thing going on, that kind of thing. So try it white. Good one. Robert Pattinson.
Ibang klase talaga kayo, Team Bastos. Kaya kung kayo, mga nanonood, meron kayong mga videos na kagaya niyan, mabuti pa, ipadala nyo na dito para makatanggap ng Bitoys Showtime Limited Edition Jackets. Malalaman natin ang resulta ng ating talbugan. Sino ba mananalo, bida ba o atrevida? Susunod na yan dito sa Bitoys Showtime! Magaling ka bang manggaya ng mga sikat na dance moves? Kung oo, kayo ang hanap namin. Bumuo ng grupo na hindi bababa sa 4 na miyembro. Pwede grupo ng senior citizens, drivers, vendors, at kung ano-ano pa. Sugod na sa GMA Studios kung Sabado mula 10 AM to 3 PM at humataw sa mga sikat na dance hits.